Alright, hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I'm driving the 2010 Corvette ZR1. Kind of a dream drive of mine for the longest time, but alright. You know, right before I started filming, this road was dead. Now look at it. There's nothing like forced induction. That's one thing we were talking about. This is ZR1 on Instagram. I'll include a link in the description box below. He used to have a twin turbo 370Z, is that correct?
Yeah, that's right.
And one thing we were talking about is how instantaneous the throttle response is for this car. As of right now, the car is completely stock, but it probably won't stay that way.
Definitely not.
You said big cam, exhaust, intake, all the goodies. The ride's not bad. This is in sport mode, just in retrospect. There's Tour and Sport for the magnetic control dampening. Tour is a little bit more forgiving than this, but you also have to remember this is a low slung. At this point, it's an exotic car. It has such a good sound to it. And do you know off the top of your head what the size of this motor is? Like in liters or something like that?
It's on 6.2.
6.2, so the same size as the Hellcat then.
Yeah. Just big difference in weight.
Yeah. So this is, as we said, 3,300. Just because the wind noise is getting a little bit much. You can hear the supercharger better from the inside too. I have to say right off the bat, this is probably top 3 cars I've driven. This is a really good car. Really good. Oh, I know. It's so good. Tons of burbles. Okay. It's relentless. It just keeps pulling and pulling. All the way right up to speed limit speeds. It's so planted. It's just you point and it goes. It's so good. You know, to think that you can get one of these for, 60, 70,000, it's crazy. It's such a good buy.
Supercar, horsepower, basically.
Oh yeah. I mean, if I had the choice between a C7 or a new C7 or one of these, all day it's one of these. And they're pretty much at the depreciation curve. They're pretty much as low as they're gonna go. Maybe a little bit lower, but so they're a collector's item at this point too. Especially because of the fact that it's all the Corvettes are gonna be mid-engine now. I just wonder how long it takes before we start seeing hybridization in Corvettes. It's one of those things I hope never comes, but it's inevitable. what the camera doesn't show is the constant smile that's on my face. Not a lot of cars do that. You know, this is really something special, and you know it when you're driving it too. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm hoping to have some more, and this is something special for sure. Thank you so much to the owner again. Like I said, I'll include his Instagram in the description box below, and I'm looking forward to seeing where this build goes. But yeah, thank you so much guys, and have a great day.